All right, guys. First mock scrape is done. Got the hemp rope and a Moultrie edge. And I got this well-worn trail that comes off this levee out of a really deep valley that's behind the pond. And that's where the bucks, they're coming right out into this bean field. Had to use a ladder to get that rope high enough, but this has traditionally always been a major scrape site every year. So pretty stoked for this setup. And we got one more mock scrape down the way, and then we're gonna move to the other side of the farm.